Hello there everyone! This is a video where I really would like to tell you about a project that we spent the past 5 years on. For the past 5 years we've been fishing for salmon and filming salmon. But salmon is an elusive species and it takes quite some time to catch one, especially the first ones. So what we have done is we've made a very comprehensive and very big project about fishing for Danish salmon. And this has all come to fruition now, and we're ready to launch these 3 videos, rather long 3 videos. The first one is going to be about the gear and what types of gear we use for fishing salmon. The second one is going to be about technique and how to cast and angles and all sorts of pretty technical details. And the third one is going to be about how to spot potential holding places for salmon in the Danish rivers. So it's been 5 very good years. We started out catching not as many salmon and then progressed quite a lot and got quite good in the end. So as you will see in these upcoming videos, they will be released within 14 days of one another. And we will show you all about how to fish for the Danish salmon and how to catch the Danish salmon. And yeah, it would not have been the same if we hadn't done this together. Stefan has been amazing at filming and keeping up the spirit. Yeah, definitely. He got some salmon as well, so it was good. But really, this is a very big project, probably the biggest we've done so far.
Definitely.
And we are very pleased with the result, and we are looking so much forward to showing you all of this footage.